Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों, मैं मोहम्मद तवाब मिर्जा। Today the topic we are going to discuss is getting admission into BS English Literature at GCU Faisalabad with Zubair Mohammad Baloch Saab. Zubair Mohammad Baloch Saab is currently doing BS English Literature from Government College University Faisalabad. उन्होंने उसमें एडमिशन कैसे सिक्योर किया, स्कॉलरशिप कौन कौन से अवेलेबल हैं, टेस्टिंग मेथड किसके थ्रू वो टेस्ट होता है उसका, और एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस क्या है, एंड अदर पर्टिनेंट क्वेरीज उन्हीं के साथ डिस्कस करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जुबैर मोहम्मद बलोच साहब, रियली थैंक्स कि आप अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल के आए। बिफोर डीप डाइविंग इनटू द इंटरव्यू, थोड़ा सा नाजरीन को बता दीजिएगा कि बीएस से पहले आपका कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं, आपका एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड क्या था?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Zubair Mohammad Baloch from Balochistan district Keech, and I have done my intermediate from matric and intermediate from my hometown Torbat Keech, and I have passed my intermediate from district Keech Inter College Usha, and currently I am studying at GCU Faisalabad, University of Faisalabad, Government College University of Faisalabad, where I am enrolled at the Department of English, BS English Literature. And I have enrolled through Directorate of College and Higher Education, Balochistan, through which we can get a scholarship and free seats, reserved seat from Balochistan Department, Balochistan Education.
माशाल्लाह, व्हाट एन इम्प्रेसिव जर्नी। अच्छा, मुझे बताइएगा, जुबैर मोहम्मद बलोच साहब एक स्टूडेंट है जिसने अप्लाई करना है बीएस इंग्लिश में, जिस तरह आपने किया है, और हमारे व्यूअर्स ने अप्लाई करना है, तो मुझे बताइए क्या एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस है बिफोर टेस्टिंग, अगर टेस्टिंग एग्जिस्ट भी करती है, और अगर नहीं भी तो वो भी बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं, लेकिन बिफोर यानी जिसे कहते हैं कि मेरिट लिस्ट लगने से पहले पहले क्या क्या प्रोसेस है? मतलब फॉर्म्स ऑनलाइन ही हो जाते हैं या फॉर्म्स कहीं पे सबमिट करवाने होते हैं फिजिकली, और फीसिस क्या है वो फॉर्म की जमा करवाने की? थोड़ा सा इस बारे में बता दीजिएगा।
Actually, I have joined GCA from Balochistan Educational Department, through which Directorate College, where we can get free scholarships. Means that for Balochistan student, those who come from Balochistan, they have reserved seats. They join GCA with the base of FAC results and the entry test taken from Directorate of College. So I have joined from Directorate of College, through which we can get seats from there. In every department at GCF, we have one seat. We from Balochistan student and Pashtun student accordingly have one seat. So we are means that through test we are fighting for only single seats. So we can get a single seat from that. So there will be a test conducted from Directorate of Balochistan, and the application procedure is like this. We have the prospect from the Directorate of College, that is 800 rupees, and we can get that from their Directorate of College, and we can submit our forms accordingly, which are mentioned in the Directorate prospect, and we can choose the universities accordingly, and the merit base will be on test and marks that will be considered 50% test or above. That means that test will be conducted from Directorate, and our numbers, that FAC or metric numbers, are included in that. And I have joined through it, and I passed the test of Directorate and joined through Directorate of Balochistan. And Punjab students are enrolled there by their means that number based scholarship. There is no scholarship for them. That is for only Balochistan student, and they have enrolled at reserved seats or merit based. But we have just only reserved seat there at GCUF. No, means that merit-based scholarships are only available for Balochistan student. And you can get a scholarship, monthly scholarship, 500 rupees from your university that you are enrolled at. And I have gone through there with the passing the test and FAC result card, and the application process completely is that you are going to submit the forms and attested documents at Technical Branch Directorate, QUETA, where your forms are submitted, and after the test procedure, you go for the university. If you pass that, you will get a means that admission letter from Directorate, and you are going to the process to Punjab University, means that Faisalabad University, you go for there. And in sister province, they are almost every area. For example, in PU Punjab University, GC Faisalabad, GC Lahore, Gujarat University, Sargodha University. These sister province in sister province in every area in Punjab universities, you can get admission through the basis of test. So I choose the department English Literature in GCUF. So I got admission through my test and there was number. And the application procedure was simple. You can submit your forms here in directorate. After that, you can go and if you pass the test, you are going to the university. There at the management, you can enroll it online. Procedures are there. For hours, there is no test, no interview. Sorry, no interview. You can submit your forms, and there is a procedure for interview. Just they can set and check your documents, original documents, and attended documents, and the letter that you got from Directorate of College. And as far as it is concerned, nowadays USAT is there for universities test. You can means that if you score 50% above that or 50% score, so you can get enrollment in universities. But before that was not there. Just Directorate College took a test according to the CTSP testing service, through which you can pass the test and go for the admission there in Punjab universities.
ठीक, माशाल्लाह। यानी कि आपका टेस्ट इधर नहीं होता है, आपका अपने बलोचिस्तान के डायरेक्टरेट के थ्रू होता है, उसके थ्रू मेरिट बनता है, और फिर जब जो यूनिवर्सिटी एलोकेट होती है वही मेक श्योर करता है, वही डायरेक्टरेट मेक श्योर करता है कि आपको एग्जांपल लेते हैं, आपने बीएस इंग्लिश लिटरेचर सेलेक्ट किया तो आपको जीसीयूएफ में भेजिए, या जो ब्रांचेस उनके पास जो सीट्स खाली होती हैं उसके हिसाब से वो खुद ही एलोकेट कर देता है। यूनिवर्सिटी हैज नो रोल इन सेलेक्टिंग यू एज ए स्टूडेंट, जिस तरह इधर पंजाब साइड पे होता है।
Surely, sir, there is a prospect. According to that, you will select the option of universities and departments. And when you pass the test, according to the universities, the list is given from directorate side, and you can go and collect the admission letter. Means that if you pass the test accordingly, means that merit will be issued. So which universities, top universities in Punjab, that will be according to your merit, based on your FSC numbers, metric numbers, and your entry test that is taken from the side of Directorate and College Quetta. So means that the university does not have any role. The admission letter that you have that secure your admission at that university. So you can go and online fill the forms there, and your attested documents and admission letter from the Directorate. And there is a simple procedure of interview that just ask your name and see your admission letter and your result card, and give you admission in that university.
ओके ओके। और बलोचिस्तान डायरेक्टरेट ही आपको गाइड करता है कि आपका इस यूनिवर्सिटी में हो गया, अब आप जाके उधर जो है वो एज ए स्टूडेंट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, मतलब जो बल्कि एडमिशन गेट कर सकते हैं।
यस सर।
और इसके लिए आपको कोई फीसेस जो हैं वो चार्ज नहीं हो रही होती है, मतलब जीसीयूएफ में आपकी कोई फीसेस नहीं है, सारी फीसेस जो हैं वो बलोचिस्तान डायरेक्टरेट पे कर रहा होता है।
यस सर, you just have to take the voucher from the their administration, and that is, if you are in English literature department, we have per semester 25,000 rupees, and it is the voucher can be converted from the administration, and that will be just 30 rupees. This 30s are to be submitted for one semester. Every department, it is the same rules and regulation. Means that if you are from Balochistan, so you have to just submit rupees 30 for the that voucher is converted and attested from the administration and submitted to the Punjab Bank or the respective bank that are mentioned in your voucher.
Okay, got the idea. Okay. So your merit is also being calculated from the directorate and not the university itself. Directorate is taking the test, directorate is calculating the merit, and directorate is asking you that you have got so much merit and you would be selected for that university or that particular university in Punjab, and you are handed over the admission form then, and then you come into the university and you could just take admission into it, right?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay. ओके, अच्छा मुझे बताइएगा कि जीसीयू फैसलाबाद में आपके डिपार्टमेंट में कौन कौन सी डिग्रीज जो हैं वो ऑफर हो रही हैं इस टाइम?
English literature department, you can get degree for means that literary degree that can you get, and you can means that you are enrolled as BS, but you are going to arts, so you can apply for means that the department respective departments which are there in arts field, and you can also apply for means that commission at CSS, PCS means that means that in Pakistan surely. The English department that is very essential for these commission exams, and you can also you can do your master in these respective departments. For example, IR, your economics, your history department, or you can also do your master in English department, or that can be in English. If that is English literature, that can be in Urdu literature, or you can also do a master in MPhil in Baluchi literature department.
जी माशाल्लाह। अच्छा अच्छा, मुझे बताइएगा कि जो है कौन से मंथ्स में जो है इनके दाखिले खुल रहे होते हैं इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के, जो है मतलब अगस्त में ओपन होते हैं? इस टाइम क्या एडमिशंस ओपन है फॉर एडमिशन इनटू बीएस या अभी अभी नहीं ओपन है?
Yes, sir. Recently, Directorate has announced its admission. Means that 10th September is the last date for the applying of the admission, and your test will be conducted on 19th September. Recently, the admissions are there, but universities and admission actually comes at August or means September month, and Balstani students are they get admission almost late because of the test procedure and the directed procedure. So they come in its university at GCUF, so they are almost late for a month because of the test procedure and the procedure here in Balochistan. But the admission actually comes at the month of September or August. Actually, you are enrolled at the university. The admission means the classes on the campus will be on October.
ओके ओके ओके, गॉट इट। अच्छा मुझे बताइएगा कि यूनिवर्सिटी फीस क्या है पर सेमेस्टर में? हाँ, आपको तो 30 रुपीज पर मंथ है, लेकिन आपने बताया कि वैसे ओवरऑल 25,000 चार्ज होता है, लेकिन हमें कूपन इशू किया होता है, कूपन या आपने वो जो भी उसका, तो आप जाके उसको अप्लाई करते हैं तो आपको 30 रुपीज पर सेमेस्टर जो है पे करना पड़ता है।
Yes, sir. Actually, admission fees are 700 rupees, and the respective departments. If I am Zubair Baluch, got admission in English literature department, so our actual fees are for the Punjabi student or those who have reserved seat there, not according to the department of means that Quetta branch, that is technical branch, we have got a scholarship to that, so our fees are less than that. But a respected department, for example, if you call about DPT or OTT, they have means that more amount means that their admission fees are more, or semester fees are higher than this. Actually, they have 45,000. For example, engineering is the department, and software engineering, technical engineering for Baluch students, they have to pay much more amount for that. But we have got a scholarship, means that according to entry test base, we have got a scholarship. So our fees are, all students are considered same. It means that the 30 rupees voucher is to be just submitted for that. Means that admission fees are 700 rupees. That should be submitted at the Bank of Punjab, and this 30 voucher should be converted. That should be, that department actually give you a voucher of that accordingly fees. Means that if that is DPT or pharmacy department, that is more than that 50,000 rupees are there for their department per semester, so that will be converted into rupees 30 for Balochistan students who are enrolled in a scholarship base, and they have to submit that voucher then again there, and they have to take a copy of that and take with them for the, means that while you take the degree out, so these are necessary for you because you are enrolled in scholarship. So university needs the record because you are enrolled in a scholarship, so there won't be issues after that taking out your degrees.
माशाल्लाह। अच्छा अच्छा, मुझे बताइएगा कि हॉस्टल अवेलेबिलिटी, जैसे आपको बलूचिस्तान से हैं तो आपको हॉस्टल चाहिए होगा, तो हॉस्टल अवेलेबिलिटी का क्या सीन है और उसकी फीसेस क्या है?
Sir, actually, for females, there are hostel availability in university, but according to the university, there is no hostel for the male student. They are staying outside. It means that we are staying at private hostel in Faisalabad, but females have the hostel availability in their universities.
Okay. Okay. And any final advice for the students who are applying into the Government College University of Faisalabad?
Sir, actually, the environment here is, and the environment and culture here is very much absolutely good, and we know that it's a very old university and college. Since 1897, it was a college for women. But later on, 1950, it became a 95 and 1924, it became intermediate college, and after that, it became degree level. Means that 1933 and postgraduate 1963. So means that is a very much old college, and it is based on the university is a hub of educational, social, and cultural activities. We know that Faisalabad is a very much means Faisalabad is called the Little Paris or Little Manchester of Pakistan. Means at educational. If you see the educational basis of Faisalabad, that is very much strong. Life and culture there on the campus for student and teaching staff is very much good. The environment is very suitable for the Baloch student actually, because they get a very healthy environment there. For example, those Baloch students coming from Balochistan do not have such environments. If there was hostel availability for male student, it will be more suitable. But the female students who want to join GCUF, that is a very golden opportunity, because they get monthly based scholarship from the college of directed college of Balochistan. Their expenditure are paid by the Balochistan government, and they can get a very good environment there at GCF. And the teaching staff is very much cooperative to the student of Baloch students who are studying at GCF. The teaching staff from Punjab government or Punjab universities are very much cooperative. As I have spent my 2 semesters with those teachers and those students, they are very much cooperative.
Really thanks for such a great analysis and valuable feedback for Baloch students, Zubair Mohammed Baloch साहब. तो दोस्तों, most probably आपकी सारी pertinent queries regarding admission into BS जो है वो कवर आउट हो, BS इंग्लिश कवर हो गई होंगी. इसके अलावा अगर आपकी कोई फर्दर क्वेरी हो तो नीचे कमेंट में पेस्ट कीजिएगा. मैं कोशिश करूंगा जुबैर मोहम्मद बलोच तक पहुंच सके. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको फर्दर वीडियोस मिलती रहें. हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए और बार-बार इस चैनल पर आने के लिए मोहम्मद वहाब मिर्जा साहब का तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार. अल्लाह हाफिज. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.